The switch both turns your drill on and off and allows you to vary the speed of the motor. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear piece of the grip handle. Now I'll remove the switch from the housing so I can begin to install the new switch. I'll pull the switch out so I have good access to all of the wires. Now I'll begin to install the new switch. I'll transfer one wire at a time from the old switch to the new. It's also a good idea to take a quick photograph of the switch just in case you lose track of where some of the wires go. So I'll remove one wire at a time and transfer it from the old switch to the new. You'll notice that the new switch is slightly different from the old. Most things are in the same location, but one of the wires on the bottom does move a little bit. You'll notice that the smaller black wire is labeled 2A. I'll go ahead and remove it and transfer it over to the 2A connector on the new switch. This wire is held in place with what's called a trapdoor connector. To remove the wire, I insert a small pick into the trapdoor opening, and that'll allow me to pull the wire away from the switch. And now I'll reattach it to the 2A connector on the new switch. The black cord wire on the old switch is secured with a small hex screw. I'll go ahead and loosen the screw, and then I can remove the wire. And the new switch uses a Phillips screw. That's all the wires on this side of the old switch. Now I'll turn it over and do the last two wires. And now it's just a matter of installing the new switch back into the handle. As I do this, I want to make sure that I get all of the wires tucked out of the way so that nothing gets pinched when we reassemble the handle. And now I can reinstall the rear of the handle. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your drill. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.